What's up everybody? In today's video we're going to show you how to make this delicious sushi with the help of an all-in-one sushi kit. The kit comes with 25 pieces and helps in making sushi a lot easier. So whether you're looking for a stay-at-home date or want to impress someone with your cooking skills, stay tuned for the whole video. What's up everybody? So today we're going to be making sushi. This is a sushi kit. So this sushi kit comes with 25 pieces. You get 4 chopsticks, 1 sushi knife, sushi mold, bamboo mat, rice spoon, a sushi mold, 2 dipping saucers, sushi bazooka to actually make the sushi rolls, chopstick holder, and a sushi board. So the bazooka kit comes in different colors. The one we got is black. So open up the bazooka kit, place the rice inside, create a nice groove for the ingredients. Next, place your favorite ingredients and close the bazooka kit. Use the cap and place it at the end. Take the end cap off and squeeze the roll of the sushi onto the nori sheet. Roll it inside the bamboo mat to wrap on the nori sheet. Now that you had a quick tutorial, let's go and actually apply this and create some sushi. This is the sticky rice that we're using. So first we're going to coat this with favorite oil. So now we line up the bazooka with the rice. Now let's press in the rice with your fingertip. You can make a groove for your ingredients. So now I have a vegan burger. I'm going to put teriyaki sauce on that. Now we're going to spread our burger teriyaki. Plant-based meat. Okay, now we're gonna put our cuke, our avocado. So now I grab our plunger before we close it or after, and we gotta put that in here, and we do this. Now we clamp it. We take our bamboo. Sorry, it's a little messier. Now we can take the side that's matte looking. Oh, there we go. Oh! All right, so now we roll, and voila. So now that we got our beautiful rolls, we're going to use this knife that came with. Trick, you spray the knife with a little oil. Look at these perfect rolls. And we put some chives on that. And there you have it. So how to use the sushi mold. So first you're going to put the rice into the mold with a spreader. Press the cover on and press down to compress and shape the rice. You can cut off a long narrow piece of nori from the nori sheet and wrap it all around the rice. Next, you can just add your favorite ingredients, and there you have it.
So all in all, this kit is pretty good. I mean, you can see how easily I can make sushi with help of this kit. Definitely recommend this product. That's the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next.